Good morning, this is Dr. Mark, the animal advocate, author, journalist, and speaker. Over the past few days, we've talked about caring and about responsibility. Today, I want to talk about what happens when everyone waits. Most harm does not happen all at once. It happens slowly. It happens while people hesitate, while they hope someone else will step in. Animals do not suffer because people are cruel. They suffer because help arrives too late, or not at all. Waiting feels harmless. It feels reasonable. It feels like we are giving the situation time to resolve itself. But animals live in the present. They do not have the luxury of later. Every hour matters. Every delay carries a cost. And I want to be clear, this isn't about blame. It's about awareness. Because once you understand that waiting can be harmful, you begin to see hesitation differently. You begin to realize that doing nothing is still a decision. Action doesn't have to be dramatic. It can be as simple as staying, making a call, keeping watch, making sure the situation does not disappear. Most animals aren't lost because no one cared. They're lost because everyone waited. And if there's one thought I want to leave with you today, it's this. When you act, you give an animal a chance. When you wait, that chance quietly fades. Thank you for listening. Keep your heart open, your compassion strong, and never walk past an animal that needs your help. This is Dr. Mark. Good day, and God bless.